In this video, we're gonna learn about transformation features in 2D sketches in Solidworks. We will learn about all the transformation features parameters involved. So let's begin. Now first of all, to create a sketch, I'm gonna select a top plane and create a normal sketch. Now we have the sketch over here. Now let's say if we want to move this sketch from this position to somewhere here, just select this sketch and go to move entities, and we can see all the entities we have selected are listed over here, and we can choose the parameters as from to or x and y position of this sketch. So I'm going to start with the from to parameter. So in this from to parameter, we have to give a start point. So give the start point as this point and place your sketch wherever you want. Then click OK. Now I'm going to bring it back to its original position. Just go to move entities again. Select the entities. Now this time I'm going to use parameter as x and y. Select x, y and give values as 10 and 20 in y and press enter. Now here you can see delta x and delta y position is referring this point as the origin of this sketch. So delta x and delta y has no reference with the origin of the SolidWorks. So if we want to repeat this step, just click on repeat, and whenever you click on repeat, the previous distances which you have entered will be automatically added to your delta x and delta y positions. Now if we fully define this sketch, just select fully define sketch and click OK. Now this sketch is fully defined. If we want to move this sketch, select move entities and select this sketch. I'm going to use from to parameter and select this point and move it over here. Then click OK. Now here you can see nothing has happened because this sketch is fully defined. Now again I'm gonna select this sketch and go to move entities, and this time I'm gonna uncheck this keep relations. So when we uncheck keep relations, it will not follow these relationships which have been applied for here with these dimensions. Just click on your point and you can see it can be movable over here, but it can only be movable to some point wherever the distances are not disturbed, like this or like this. So if we click OK, you can see the distances are the same. Now I'm gonna delete these dimensions. Now this time I want to copy this sketch to some other position. Just click here and select copy entities. Turn on keep relations and select from to parameter and select this point, and wherever you want to copy, just click. And if you keep clicking on the points on the screen, you get the multiple copies of this sketch. You can also do the same thing with x and y positions. Just give the positions, let's say 20 and 20. And if you want to repeat this step, you can just repeat and all the distances will keep on increasing. Just click OK and you have the copies of sketches. Now if I want to rotate this sketch, just select this sketch and go to rotate entities, and you have to be careful about selecting the center of rotation on this sketch. If we select center of rotation as this point, it will rotate about this point. You can see over here. So if we want to rotate this sketch on its own centroid axis, just drag these midpoints of these lines and click here. Now when we rotate this sketch, you can see it is rotating on its centroid. Just give angle as 60, click OK and click cancel. Let's say we want to scale this sketch over here. Just select this and go to scale entities, and here we have to select a scale about point. We can give the centroid here as well. So Keep tracking the centroid and click here and increase the scale factor over here. Now if you want the original sketch along with the scaled sketch, just click on copy and you will get the original sketch as well and the scaled sketch. And if you want to increase the number of instances, you can do it from here. So I'm going to decrease it, uncheck copy. I don't want the original object. Just click on OK and you have the scaled object over here. Now we have one more sketch over here and I want to stretch these arms of this sketch. So just go to stretch entities and select these arms, then click on from to and select the point and just stretch it. We can stretch it to some angle or we can stretch it as a straight. Just click OK and we have the stretch sketch. So now that you have learned all the transformation commands in 2D sketches in SolidWorks, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.